Hello, my friends. I am here again to help with another issue that has plagued Windows users forever, and that is the Thumbs.db file that refuses to be deleted. The problem is Thumbs.db files are hidden files that allow Explorer to show small icon versions of the file itself. So for example, if you have a video file or an image file, it'll show a small version of the image or video if you say show, small icons or large icons. You can see some on my desktop, in fact, right here. I've made my PowerShell window smaller just so you can see that. That's an idea of what it is Thumbs.db file can do. So to delete them, if you need to delete them, because they're hidden, you have to bring them out of hiding to kill them. It's like the vampire of Windows. You have to go into its lair, then force it to show itself, force it out of the shadow so you can kill it. When you stare into the abyss of the Windows file system, Thumbs.db stares back at you. I should also say that some Thumbs.db files are not hidden. This is rare, but it does occasionally happen that in Explorer you'll see a Thumbs.db file with a solid white icon next to it, and that you can just delete it. It won't cause you any grief. The issue here really, and the reason I'm making this video, and it may be the reason that you have found this video, the reason you came here, is I like the little images that Thumbs.db provides. I don't want to change that functionality. But many of the solutions that you'll find online have you changing or resetting these system-wide parameters, editing group policy or setting changes to the file menu in Explorer View that affect every file and folder on your system, and that's ridiculous. I'm not looking for some apocalyptic scorched earth approach to solving this. I just want to delete one Thumbs.db file. I don't have to kill this cockroach with a flamethrower, and it isn't that hard to do. It does require Windows PowerShell, and if you don't have that, I'll put a link to it in the description. So here's how we do it. If we take a look here, you can see that I'm in the network folder for Queen. And usually the Thumbs.db file that won't delete is a network issue. Not always, but it is, and this will work no matter where it is, so it's no big deal. Now, if I go into the Queen directory and I type dir for directory, it'll show me that I've got two folders here, Jazz and News of the World. Now, we're going to go into Jazz just to illustrate this process, but if I type rm Jazz, it says the item at H Music Queen Jazz has children, and the recurse parameter was not specified. Well, that's clear. If you continue, all children will be removed with the item. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, I'm sure. I cannot remove the item. Queen Jazz that you do not... okay, all right. Okay. So let's change directory. CD, change directory, into the Jazz folder. Now you can see that we're in the Jazz folder. So let's type dir to show the files that are in here. Oh, it didn't show us anything. It's essentially telling us this is an empty directory. But it clearly isn't, because Thumbs.db is apparently in there causing us grief. It's even in red, like the vampire theme that we had going on earlier in this. Something's wrong with Thumbs.db. But when we type dir, it doesn't show us anything. And that's a problem. But it's easy to fix. Instead of typing dir, we'll type dir, a space, a dash, and the word force. Now when we hit enter, oh, look at that. We have shown sunlight on the Thumbs.db file. And now it's green, just to illustrate that. Okay. Well, we'll remove Thumbs.db from here. Maybe that will work. Remove Thumbs.db. Oh, I don't have sufficient access rights to perform this. The hell I don't. It's my own machine. But apparently not. Well, luckily, we can do the very same thing we did with the directory command to get rid of Thumbs.db. Instead of typing dir, we type rm for remove thumbs.db, a space, dash, and the word force. Oh, what do you know? No error this time. Let's check. dir force. There's nothing there. By typing rm thumbsdb-force at the PowerShell command line, we have forced the deletion of Thumbs.db. It's just that easy. And now if we double dot our way, if we double dot our way up one and type dir, now we can delete Jazz. rm Jazz. Type dir one more time to confirm. And there you go. That's all you have to do. Go into the folder where the Thumbs.db file is using the Windows PowerShell command line. Use rm thumbsdb-force to remove the file, and then you'll be able to remove the folder itself. So I hope that helped. If you need another video about the specifics of entering commands here, then I can do that. Otherwise, I hope you found this helpful. It's a very easy process. Have fun.